Laws of exponents. What is an exponent? Exponent is a shorthand used for repeated multiplication. It's a shorthand used for repeated multiplication. Okay, so that is the multiplication of the number, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, here we can see that 2 multiplied 4 times. So that can be written as 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 4 times. Okay, so similarly 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, got it? 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. So here this number 2 is called base and this number is called exponent. Okay, and base means it is the number that needs to be multiplied repeatedly. Okay, and exponent means it is the number of times base needs to be multiplied. Okay, so this is in the number 2 to the power 4. 2 is called the base and 4 is called the exponent. Now let's see the rules of exponents or the laws of exponents one by one. Okay, so the first one, the first law of exponent is a to the power 0. We know that if the exponent is 0, the value of that number is equal to 1. So remember that a can be any number. So if the base is any number and if the exponent is 0, its value is equal to 1. So remember that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and second rule, that is a to the power 1. Okay, so here the base is a, means any number, and 1 is the exponent. So a to the power 1 means what? By using the definition of exponent, a raised to 1 means a multiplied 1 time. Am I right? So a to the power 1 is a. Okay, so very important two laws. First one is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Second is a raised to 1 is equal to a. And third one, a raised to m into a raised to n. So here you can see that we have two exponents with the same base. You can see that the base of these two numbers are same. Okay, so in that case, its answer is the same base you have to write and add the exponents. That is, here we multiplied the two numbers, no? So we need to add the exponents. That is, we get a raised to m plus n. For example, suppose we need to find 2 square into 2 cube. Okay, we know that 2 square is equal to 2 into 2. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so how will you write 2 square into 2 cube then? 2 into 2, that is 2 square, into 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. And this can be written as, here you can see that 2 is multiplied 5 times. So we get 2 raised to 5. Okay, so we can see that 2 square into 2 cube is equal to 2 raised to 5. That is, in the answer, we have the same base 2. And to get the exponent of the answer, add the exponents. So that is 2 plus 3 is 5. So remember the very important law of exponent, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Similarly, we have a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Suppose this m is greater than n. So in that case, what do you get? Suppose we need to find 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3. You can see that here also the bases are equal. Okay, so you need to find 2 raised to 5 by 2 cube. So 2 raised to 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Am I right? Divided by 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so you will get, you can cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator and this 2 from both numerator and denominator, this 2 from both numerator and denominator. So you will get 2 into 2, that is same as 2 square. So we got 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 square if this exponent is greater than the denominator's exponent. Okay, so in that case, you can see the relation a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, now what happens if a raised to m by a raised to n, if m is less than n, then you will get it's equal to 1 by a raised to n minus m. Okay, that is here n is the larger number, m is the smaller number. So we find the difference between them, that is we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So we get 1 by a raised to n minus m. So study this, a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. And a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to 1 by a raised to n minus m if m is less than n. Okay, now let's go to the next law of exponent, that is number 5. So it is a raised to m all raised to n. So what do you get? It is a raised to mn. Okay, multiply the two exponents. So I'll show an example. Suppose we need to find 2 cube the whole square. So 2 cube the whole square means what? 2 cube into 2 cube. Am I right? So here we can use the law of exponent, that is a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n, isn't it? So you can add, if the bases are same, if you are multiplying two numbers with the same base, you write the same base and add the exponents. So what do you get? 3 plus 3 is 6. So 2 cube the whole square can be written as 2 raised to, you can multiply these two exponents, so that is 2 raised to 3 into 2. So you'll get 2 raised to 6. So that is the law of exponent, that fifth law of exponent, a raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Okay, and another important law, sixth law, it is 1 by a raised to m is equal to, it can be written as a raised to minus m. Okay, 1 by a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. For example, 1 by 2 cube can be written as 2 raised to minus 3. Okay, 1 by root 2. Okay, it can be written as 1 by root 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1 by 2. So it is equal to 2 raised to minus 1 by 2. So remember this root 2 means it is 2 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, that we will study in the next section, thirds. Okay, so we'll go to the laws. So we have 1 by a raised to m, it's equal to a raised to minus m. And the next law is seventh law, ab the all raised to m. So that is, suppose we need to find if the bases, okay, here you can see an exponent with the base ab and the exponent is m. So ab means product of two numbers. Okay, suppose we need to find 2 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, so how will you find this? 2 into 3 to the power 4 is equal to, multiply these two numbers, what do you get? 2 into 3 is 6. So you will get 6 to the power 4. Am I right? So here you have to check whether 6 to the power is 4 is same as 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. Okay, so we will check it. That is 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 means it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is into 3 to the power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you can connect this 2 and this 3. That is 2 into 3 is 6. Into this 2 and this 3 will get another 6. This 2 and this 3 will get another 6. And this 2 and this 3 will get another 6. So we have multiplication of 6 4 times, that is equal to 6 to the power 4. Okay. So ab raised to m is same as a raised to m into b raised to m. That is the seventh law of exponent. And finally we have a by b all raised to m. What will be this then? You can take the exponent separately to the numbers a and b. So you will get a raised to m by b raised to m. So these are the important 8 laws of exponents. Okay, so remember that one by one. So first one is a raised to 0 is 1. Second is a raised to 1 is equal to a. Third is a raised to m into a raised to n. It is a raised to m plus n. Fourth one is a raised to m by a raised to n if m is greater than n. If it is a raised to m minus n. Okay, and a raised to m by a raised to n if m is less than n. It is 1 by a raised to n minus m. And a raised to m all raised to n is a raised to mn. Okay, now 1 by a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. and AB raised to m is equal to, take the exponent terms separately. What do you get then? A raised to m into b raised to m. So a by b raised to m is equal to a raised to m by b raised to m.